Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Lexus RX330. We're going to change the headlights on it. So kind of a tutorial, not really a tutorial. You're just going to watch me try to change it. We'll see. The bumper actually has to come off. For the headlights to come off, you can see how bad these are. And these have been quote unquote polished and fixed up multiple times. I think I might have ruined it the first time, and every time it does get cleared up, it just goes back to this horrible state. So we got new headlights. It even has a spider in there, look. Ew. So to get the bumper off, I think it's just like clips below, one bolt there, hex I believe, and should do it. And then I think this has like 3 bolts or something like that. All right, so I got the top part of the bumper off. You can see here there's a clip there, clip there in the middle, and another one there. So at the top you're only taking off 3 clips for the bumper, and then on the side I showed you the one that was here, but there's also one here that's a Phillips. Now I'm going to attempt to take these headlights out with just the top half of the bumper off. If I can't do it, I'll let you know, and then you'll have to take off the tray or whatever you want to call it from underneath. Hopefully you don't have to do that. Here's 10 and 10 there, and there's one in here I believe that I think is Phillips. I'll let you know in a bit. Well, I mean, it is Phillips, but I'll let you know in a bit if that's the one we need to take it out. All right, headlight out. Cables are still connected. I'm back to these. So I think you actually need to take both. Well, definitely not just that one. I ended up taking off one down there too. So doing it with just the top part of the bumper is doable. We just need to get this out as much as possible. And yeah, I could tell from here. There's that, I think that's that top one, and then here's that bottom one. Yeah, so top here, bottom there, and then just disconnect everything, and then hopefully the one I purchased fits. We'll see. All right, here's what it looks like without the headlight on. There's one there, there's one there, and there is a ton of bulbs. I didn't realize how many bulbs are connected, and then a couple of connectors. And right here, this part right there, it keeps the entire harness attached to the side of the headlight too, so it's all like kind of connected clean. There is this in there, so hopefully I do not need to take that out, and it comes with it. I believe it does. So we'll open up the new one and see. All right, here's the new one. Man, that looks good already. And we'll get them side by side. Let's see. Wow, this is very nice. Look at that. All right, now I'm going to see if this already has, I think it's the ballast and the connector for the bulb in there. Hopefully, moment of truth. Okay, so bad news, there's nothing in there. So I may either need to take it out of the old one and put it in here, which I have no experience with. The other is there's one more box that obviously has the other headlight housing, but also may have a new ballast. But if that's the Toyota premium one for the Lexus, then it may be better than whatever came with this. We'll see. Okay, so in the other box, which is a little bit damaged, but this box was in another box, so, and that box included this right here. So no ballast, just the bulb. So yeah, I indeed will have to take the ballast out of the old one and put it into the new one. Wish me luck. All right, now I'll show you guys on the other headlight when I take it out, but basically you take the bottom piece off. It's like 4 screws, and then the ballast itself has 3 screws. The only problem is you could see I have 2 screws in there, and I had to rip them off. There was just no way. These are completely shot and rusted, and this one was okay, but I just ripped it off. It should be all right because once this plate right there is on there, it should keep that secured. I took the bulb off of here, and I'm just gonna slide all of this out, probably from this direction, and put it into the new one. Also, there's a lot of corrosion, so be careful. I hope the gloves I have on are good enough. But yeah, be careful. A lot of corrosion. Yeah, just be careful when you're touching it. Okay, yeah, just to clarify, actually, you need to unclip from the ballast because there's no way you're getting this through there and you're not getting the entire ballast through there. So basically, you're disconnecting this, which is right there, from this. So you could split them and then reconnect them in the new one. All right, it's all put together. Basically just, oh, this thing is... it's got some flex to it. It's weird though because it only comes, and these are all brand new, it comes only with this and this for the metal bracket, and then all four sides for there. So it's a little bit different from the OEM one, but as far as fitment, everything fits in there just right. So hopefully this screws on correctly. But yeah, that's all you have to do as far as taking out. Oh, actually I shouldn't speak so soon. I still had to do all the other 100 bulbs, although I think all of these just screw right in. And then all this in there should go in there no problem, hopefully. But at least the connections are there and that fits. As far as the ballast and all those OEM parts that I know so far that need to come off the old one and into the new one, it's a little bit of work, but honestly, like, it's not too bad. It's easy. If I can do it, you can do it. All right, look at this. We got one in. Still have the plastic on, just to show you. And then here goes the old one, all nasty and dull. So just gotta make sure everything is working. I think, if I'm not mistaken, there is a little bulb up here that I don't see on in here. So it's that one. So I'm gonna see what's up with that one. But I should try everything out before. Okay, high beam works. That signal. So it's just that one bulb. Let's see if I can fix that. All right, this is crazy. So this is the passenger side headlight, and look how perfect this looks. The only thing I can think of that maybe this is not the original one that came with it, although it is definitely a Toyota part, which is great. So yeah, one thing I was worried because last one I did out on the driveway, so I didn't mind all that corrosive stuff powder getting on the driveway, but on the bench I was like, maybe I shouldn't be doing it here. But not bad. Look how nice that is. Really good condition. All right, got the headlights both in, still got the plastic on, and we'll see how the fitment is with the bumper. Oh shoot, good thing I have extra clips because might have broken one or two here and there, so we'll change those out and get the bumper back on, and I'll show you the final product. All right, it's all done. Look at that, brand new. Beautiful. That everything working. And then just as a reminder, here's the old one, here's the new one. Wow, looks really good. Not hard to do, very simple, I think, in my opinion. Let me know if you have any questions down below. I think the next step would be to ceramic coat these so it protects them. And the other thing is, now I'm looking at the fog lights, and they are really bad too, so we should change these as well and change them to LEDs. And yeah, can't wait to try these at night. I'll let you guys know in the comments somewhere with like at night. That's gonna do it. I'll talk to you guys later.